the Edmunds top-rated Best of the Best, the standout vehicle of 2025.
Our awards are based on our industry-leading testing process. The Edmunds editorial team is more than 40 strong, with over 500 years of experience. Each year we drive, test and rate more than 300 vehicles, both in the real world and at our test track. Plus, every electric vehicle we review is subject to the world-famous Edmunds EV range, efficiency and charging tests.
The Edmunds Top Rated Awards are a shortcut to the very best vehicles on sale, irrespective of when they debuted. That's why we can, and do, have repeat winners. In this video, we'll give you a snapshot of each winner and those that are highly recommended. But if you want the full review, head to edmunds.com/toprated. Let's get on with it.
Our highly recommended cars for 2025 are the Toyota Camry and the Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The E-Class sets the benchmark for luxury with its exceptional comfort and driving experience, while the Camry's hybrid efficiency, technology and space make it the new benchmark for mid-size family sedans. Neither could outpoint our winner though, which wraps the latest technology and excellent efficiency in an affordable package. The Edmunds top-rated car for 2025 is the Honda Civic Hybrid.
The Honda Civic Hybrid wins because it adds up to more than the sum of its parts.
The Hybrid takes what we love about the Civic and amps it up to another level. It's efficient and it's got more than enough power to haul your family around, and out here in our test track, it outperformed all of its competition.
On our real-world testing loop, the Honda's character really came out. It's also a car you want to get in and drive. The interior feels like it's out of a more expensive car.
We love the tech features. Google integration gives you really natural voice controls, built-in Google Maps, and access to apps. This is genuinely one of our favorite systems on the market.
You've got an option for a hatch with the Civic, which makes it very flexible, and with the big back seat, you've got plenty of room for your family.
Our highly recommended SUVs are the Hyundai Tucson Hybrid and the Lexus GX. The comfort and technology in the updated Tucson Hybrid make it an excellent everyday companion. The Lexus GX has reimagined go-anywhere luxury, proving itself in our off-road tests. Like the Hyundai, our winner boasts hybrid tech and combines it with space for up to 8. The Edmunds top-rated SUV for 2025 is the Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid.
Toyota is known for its hybrids, and everything about the Grand Highlander Hybrid is bigger and better.
When we first got into the Grand Highlander, we were really impressed by the amount of space that it has. Whether you're fitting car seats or kids and even adults into the third row, this SUV proved to be really practical.
There's a good amount of trunk space, but once you start folding seats down, it's huge.
We test on all sorts of roads, and even cracked pavement or potholes didn't faze this thing. The ride is plush, and everyone who got inside complimented the seats.
It's Toyota's hybrid engines that take the Grand Highlander over the top. They're even better to drive than the standard gas versions, and they're more efficient.
Three-row SUVs are so popular, so it's exciting to actually test one that exceeds our expectations and improved driving and MPG just by being a hybrid.
The Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid is a tremendous all-rounder with an expansive cabin that's comfortable and full of family-friendly features. It's an outstanding three-row SUV with the fuel economy of a compact car. The Edmunds top-rated SUV for 2025 is the Toyota Grand Highlander Hybrid. Our highly recommended trucks are the Ford F-150 and the Hyundai Santa Cruz, showing off the best of big and small trucks. The Ford F-150 is superbly versatile. With the hard and software for every kind of task, it remains the quintessential full-size truck. At the other end of the spectrum, the compact Hyundai Santa Cruz delivers light towing and hauling capability in a comfortable, city-friendly package. But with the ideal combination of size, capability, and versatility, the Edmunds top-rated truck for 2025 is the Ford Ranger.
The redesigned Ranger definitely has some tough competition, but in a few key areas, it is the clear winner.
It can haul a lot of weight for its size, and here in the bed, you get a full 4 feet of space between the wheel wells.
Every time we do a towing test with the Ford, backup assist, which helps you control the trailer when you're driving in reverse, always wins at points.
We bought one to have around for the entire year at Edmunds HQ, and we really love doing all the truck stuff with it. Not only is it really capable, it's also very comfortable.
The Ranger is just so much smoother on the road than all of its top competitors. Now, we tested the Raptor, the really extreme off-road version, and it is so much fun.
There are some other great midsize trucks out there, but the Ranger, as both a daily driver and a truck, executes at the top of its class.
The Ford Ranger has the comfort, technology, and versatility to compete with full-size trucks, all at a lower cost of entry. Delivering everything we want from a truck to the highest standards, the Ford Ranger is Edmunds' top-rated truck for 2025. Our highly recommended electric cars are the BMW i5 and the Hyundai Ioniq 6. The BMW i5 was last year's winner and remains the benchmark for electric luxury cars. The Hyundai Ioniq 6 is a roomy, comfortable sedan that sits atop our Edmunds EV charging test leaderboard. This year's winner is the best product yet from the biggest name in EVs. Edmunds' top-rated electric car for 2025 is the Tesla Model 3.
The updates here made a huge difference in the Tesla Model 3.
We like this thing so much, we actually bought 2 of them for a year-long test, a long range and a performance. And both of them offer really strong value for what they deliver.
The build quality is so much better. This Model 3 is the most complete and well-built vehicle that we've seen from Tesla.
In our Edmunds EV range test, our all-wheel drive long-range version went 338 miles on a single charge. That's a lot of range, especially for the price.
Comfort has improved. Better seats, way smoother ride on the road, and we've measured much lower noise levels in the cabin in testing. And if you want something that's supercar quick at a third of the price, the Model 3 Performance is hugely appealing.
The Tesla Model 3 has an outstanding range of virtues and represents a tremendous value for your dollar. It may not look all that different, but the updates Tesla made have seen our 2021 winner regain its crown. The Edmunds' top-rated electric car for 2025 is the Tesla Model 3. Our highly recommended electric SUV picks are the Chevrolet Equinox EV and the Volkswagen ID Buzz. The new Equinox EV is an affordable electric SUV that managed an astonishing 350 miles in the Edmunds EV range test. It has the range, the space, and the technology to make it a top choice for an entry-level electric SUV. Is the ID Buzz an SUV with sliding doors or a minivan? Honestly, who cares? It's earned our recommendation as a unique solution for up to 7 passengers, with its clever design and fun personality. The ID Buzz is great, but not quite great enough to topple the SUV that claimed both this and our Best of the Best award last year. Thanks to its all-round excellence, the Edmunds top-rated electric SUV for 2025 is the Kia EV9.
Since it won this award last year, we picked up an EV9 to live with for a year. And after living with it in that time, it is still an easy pick as this year's winner.
And in the Edmunds EV range test, it actually outperformed the EPA estimate. You guys, we got over 300 miles on a single charge. And then when it comes to the Edmunds charging test, well, that just showed us how quickly this thing charges. There is nothing else that is of this size that can add those miles back in as fast.
In our performance testing, the EV9 knocked it out of the park. Everything that you want an EV to do well, it does well.
We've road tripped it, we've taken it on school runs, we've done the daily commute. It's great at everything.
And the comfort is off of the charts. The seats and the ride are so very good. The tech, it's really easy to use, it's super intuitive, and the whole thing just feels more like a luxury vehicle. Oh, and the space, you guys, we've had both adults and kids in that third row, and it's just, I don't know, it's just easy. This is a SUV that you can easily live with your family every single day.
The Kia EV9 won last year for pushing the boundaries of what shoppers can expect from an electric SUV, and nothing's come along to steal its crown. A 3-row SUV combining a near luxury experience with family-friendly features and excellent EV technology. The Kia EV9 is Edmunds' top-rated electric SUV for 2025. Our highly recommended electric truck is a familiar name. The Ford F-150 Lightning has a unique formula. Take the best-selling full-size truck and swap gas for electricity. Although long-distance towing remains a challenge, the Lightning otherwise builds on the strengths of the F-150, while adding a few tricks, like the front trunk, that are only possible with electrification. The Lightning took this award in both 2023 and 2024, but this year it's been outpointed by another pioneer. Our winner was the first to kick off the modern EV truck market, and a raft of improvements for 2025 make it a more compelling choice than ever. The Edmunds top-rated electric truck for 2025 is the Rivian R1T.
We bought one of the very first Rivians, and while we owned it, Rivian did an amazing job improving the truck with software updates. But now they've given it some physical upgrades too.
They addressed nearly all of our concerns. The ride is better, the infotainment is better, plus it's got all these different options for both range and performance. So we had the max battery pack, and on our Edmunds EV range test, you guys, we got nearly 400 miles of range. Almost 400 miles. That is really, really good for a vehicle like this.
We know that this is a proper go-anywhere adventure truck. We put versions of the R1T up against the toughest gas off-roaders, and it had no trouble keeping up.
And the Rivian's got all these really cool storage features. Got the frunk, I've got this cool gear tunnel, and I've got an extendable bed.
The R1T is now quicker, more comfortable, and has a longer range. It's just head and shoulders above everything else.
The Rivian R1T is a thoroughly modern truck that gets the fundamentals right. And thanks to a comprehensive update, it's now better than ever. An electric truck that never fails to impress whether on or off-road. The Rivian R1T is Edmunds' top-rated electric truck for 2025. All our winners represent the best of what's available to American car shoppers in 2025. But every year, we also recognize the best of the best. Based on the most rigorous independent testing in the world, this award is for the car, truck, or SUV that doesn't just top its class, but goes above and beyond with its innovation and impact. For 2025, the Edmunds top-rated Best of the Best award goes to the Honda Civic Hybrid.
We had high expectations, but we were still surprised when we finally started testing it.
So we kept checking in with each other almost like we couldn't believe it. You know, like, is this car as good as I think it is? No, yeah, it is. It's really good. So I kind of feel like I'm repeating myself here, but it's a really special car. It is best of the best, no question.
The Civic has been around so long that you can take it for granted, but this car nails every point so well that it demands your attention.
The interior, the driving experience, everything punches above the price tag, and it's affordable.
The Civic sets the bar for small cars. It sets the bar for hybrid cars.
The Honda Civic Hybrid is the new standard bearer for hybrid technology. It feels aspirational not only for people who want more efficiency, but also for those who desire more fun and a more refined and upscale experience. The Edmunds top-rated Best of the Best for 2025 is the Honda Civic Hybrid.
To keep ahead of all the new cars, trucks, and SUVs, bookmark edmunds.com/news, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, follow us on social. That way, you won't miss any of the first looks, first drives, reviews, track tests, off-road adventures, news, updates on the cars that we bought, and frankly, everything that you might need when shopping for a new vehicle. And while you're there, check out our appraisal tool to find out how much your old one is worth. We'll even make you a cash offer. That's it for Edmunds Top Rated 2025. For more, go to edmunds.com/top rated. Thanks for watching. See you next time.